A friend of mine told me that there's a utility table that would fit perfectly under most grills. It's not down that aisle at Walmart. Is it down that aisle? I don't know. This is fishing. It's not going to be there. Or maybe. Let's see. We're in the camping section. Those are chairs. I don't think this is what he meant. There it is. Yep, aluminum table. Okay. Yeah, let's get this one and do a product review on it. So here's my griddling area. I needed some extra space to set things on. The side panels on the grill just isn't enough space, especially when you're cooking for a lot of people. Also, it gets quite hot. And originally I was thinking of a bin, the kind of shelving that you see maybe at the hardware store on casters. But I couldn't find anything that was that small. So a friend of mine suggested that I do go to Walmart, and here's the table. First off, here's the bin that I want to set it on. As you can see, currently I have it set it on a lawn chair, and it's just not convenient. I got all my spices and oils and egg rings, so I just wanted to set this on something, and that just isn't working out there. So here's the aluminum table that I decided on, and I don't see a product number, but as you can see, this is a Home Depot special Ozark trail. It says outdoor equipment, and I did find it in the camping fishing section, kind of the sports section. Just check those aisles. You're gonna see the various tables and chairs. This one jumped out at me really quick. At first I didn't think it was a table because it was all folded up, but I looked at the picture. It says it can have a capacity of 110, and it says it's ideal for camping, RVing, tailgating, so forth. It's really light. First thing that jumped out at me was these heavy duty feet protectors there. So let's see if we can get it open here quickly. All right, there we go. Something fell down here. What does this say? Just says aluminum table, and it says it won't rust, although the Tin Man rust in Wizard of Oz, so I don't know what that's going on with that. But oh, here's a bigger picture, better idea of what it looks like. So it's 19 inches wide, 18.7 inches deep, and 24 high. So let's see if this is gonna fit the need that I have here. Let's take this top off. It's a little bit of water from the rain. So I wanted something for that space right there. So let's see. We're going to test it out along with me here. All right. Now that I got the packaging off, and let's see. Wow, easy as that. Let's try that again. Okay, nice thin profile. And now to test it out. Yeah, that's looking really good. Perfect. Here's a picture of the packaging again. And when not in use, now this is going to work out great. Let's see. When not in use, is that going to fit? That fits perfectly. Right on. So, what other parts of the house can I use this for? Let's go see. Let's say you're having Thanksgiving dinner and the kitchen is filled with people, not only people, but drinks and side dishes and a lot of people, a lot of activity going on. Here's an idea. Why not put the turkey next to the table here where people can keep an eye on it, smell the good smells and whatnot. Even in the bathroom. A shop table. A whittling table. Gardening. So that's going to do it for this alloy side table. Again, it's Wal-mart. It's made by Ozark Trail. It is in the camping and sporting goods section. Go check that out. I'm very happy. It's going to work perfectly for what I'm going to use it for. It snugs away quite nicely in tight spaces. As you can see, that's pretty tight. It's going to fit nicely right there when not in use. But let's see what consumers like yourself are saying about this. Yeah, I thought it would be pretty high. It's 4.6 stars and 402 people have rated it. $29.98 as of this video, and if you buy 4, oh rotten, they don't give you a break. But it would be just about $120 for 4 of these. Not bad for these inflationary times. Guys, if this video was helpful, please give it a like, share with your family and friends, and consider subscribing. Till the next time, God bless. So that's going to do it for the aluminum